Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the text boxes disappearing in Goodnotes in 2026. Are your text boxes disappearing in Goodnotes after you create them? This can be very confusing, but here's how to fix it just by following some few simple steps. But before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the Goodnotes application. You can find it in the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. And once you find it, you're going to make sure to click on the install button right there. Now, if you want to install Goodnotes on your computer or your Mac, you're gonna have to head to the Goodnotes website. Then you're gonna click on the download button, and from this drop-down menu, you're gonna select either if you want to install this on iOS, on Mac, on Windows, on Android, and web. Each option directs you to its source. Now, after you download the application, make sure to log in with your account. After that, you're gonna make sure to check if the text box is hidden or it's on off screen. For example, if I want to create a text box right here, I'm just gonna click on the part of the screen I want to here. It doesn't appear that much, but if you write it, you can see the text box right here. So you're gonna make sure it's not hidden. Then you're gonna zoom out and look for it. Once you do that, you're gonna make sure to undo the last action, and then restart and create a new text box. For example, you're going to type in here, and there's a new notebook. You're going to click on it to type in, and you can choose the size of the writing and also the police and the orientation, etc. Now, make sure if that doesn't work, try restarting Goodnotes and also update the app if necessary. You can head to the Play Store or App Store and update it from there. Now, disappearing text boxes are usually small glitches, so follow these steps and you'll recover your content easily. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.